So the whole mission was to find the biggest wave we were seen in the Dominican Republic, and we looked at a potential swell coming. It was a big one, and we got a huge crew together to go there. Cameras, big wave surfers, upcoming surfers, all-time surfers, and we just rallied. We packed cars, we packed jet skis, we packed big wave guns. It was like the very first ever big wave surf trip in the Dominican Republic.
It was an amazing energy with everybody there. For real. You know what? Psych, bro. It was amazing. Are you ready?